In this tutorial I will show you how to make your watermark transparent in Excel. I will be using this picture as my watermark. Let me first delete it. So I'll go to View tab, Workbook Views group, Page Layout, click on Header and Picture and Browse Picture. Click here. So you see I have successfully inserted this picture as my watermark. Now what to do if I want to make it transparent? So for that I'll go to Insert tab, Text, Header and Footer. In Header and Footer Elements group you have an option called Format Picture. Click it, go to Picture, and in Image Control you have the option of Color, and in this drop down menu you need to click on Washout, then click OK. So now you see I have successfully made my watermark transparent. This was a brief tutorial that how you can make your watermark transparent in Excel sheet. In case you find this tutorial useful and want to see more tutorials on Excel, kindly like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye for now.